If you still haven't mastered how to make Hausa cocoa, then this recipe is going to be very, very helpful. We are going to need some millet, okay, and we'll wash this thoroughly until the water is very, very clean and clear. All right. Now that we've washed it and everything is clean and clear, we'll now add some more water and we'll set this aside for the next day. And this spends about 12 hours. And the next day, this is what we have, and we just drain this water from it and wash it again. And now we are going to put this into a blender, and then you blend it, add some spicy stuffs like the ginger, dried pepper, cloves. If you want it to be more spicy, then you should know that you have to add more of the spices, okay, more of the spicy stuff. Okay, now that we are all set, after we blended it to be very, very smooth, all you have to do is just strain it with a cheesecloth or any fabric that you prefer. And also, you can use a strainer. Just make sure that you strain it very well, that you do not have any chaff in it. We want it to be very, very free from chaffs, and this is just perfect. Now that we have this, we have to just cover this and set it aside for the next day. Okay, we want it to ferment a little bit. So I kept this for, I think, 4 hours before putting it back in the fridge because I do not want it to ferment too much. Now, the next day, this is what we have. Just strain this water from it, and we are going to use the base. You can as well use this water to make your cocoa, but well, I prefer to use my base. However, if you feel your base is too much, you can take some out of it, and then you proceed to add some salt to your water. Cover this and allow it to boil. So if you feel the water is also too much for you, just take some from it, or yeah, just take some, and then now we go in with our base while we put the fire on a very, very low heat because we do not want it to be very hot or high. We do not want that. So we mix this until, if you feel it's too thick, you can add some more hot water. If you feel it's light, then you can mix some of your dough that is already there, the base, and then you can put it in it, which will just be perfect for you. Add anything you prefer and enjoy your cocoa. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so you'll be able to get the videos I'll post in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.